Good morning, Professor. My name is Lê Đỗ Trâm Anh. I'm from class MAT Zone 2016A. After finished discourse analysis, I found a relationship between vocabulary and discourse analysis, as well as teaching vocabulary and discourse analysis. And the most important thing that I learned from applying discourse analysis in vocabulary is that at the level of discourse, words that serve a discourse function rather than expressing semantic content are much more dependent on context and context for their meaning and use. It means that as a teacher, in order to teach vocabulary effectively, we need to put words in context. Before the course discourse analysis, I only teach vocabulary word by word. After the course, when I teach vocabulary, I put the word in its context. By that way, students will know the meaning and the usage of its words in its context. There are many ways to put the word in context to teach vocabulary, and one of them is using cartoon. I set up a context for the student to know when they use that word. As in the picture on the left, the student will know 2 weeks is mean fortnight, and the picture on the right, whenever the student wants to find the words to express the feeling, they will know that they need the dictionary. Students will know dictionary is what they use to find the words. Another way to apply discourse analysis in teaching vocabulary is using interactive role play. Interactive role plays are an excellent vehicle for teaching and practicing the microstructure and vocabulary of speech act. By setting out the context like this, the student will know the differences between the sentence, "The waiter served a piece of cake to the man with a cherry on top," and the sentence, "The waiter served a piece of cake with a cherry on top to the man." So they will know when to use the right sentence in the right context. Using problem-solving tasks is another suggestion for applying discourse analysis in teaching vocabulary. Problem-solving tasks can also be used to introduce vocabulary for immediate use and practice, as can values clarification exercise. This is an example. The teacher set out a problem in communication. The problem here is that the boy doesn't know the other meaning of pipe and square in different contexts. And in order to fix this misunderstanding, the teacher asked the student to find another word to express this idea. In conclusion, after the course discourse analysis, I learned that language teacher must constantly look for the tasks that will have the students review and reuse new vocabulary in meaningful and contextualized practice, such as writing a poem. My presentation has come to the end. Thank you for listening.